today I am going to be eating some Nutella toast and some glass water. Ice cold water. Yum! So refreshing. And now we're going to have some Nutella toast. That is so good. I love that so much. Man. Let me chew. Yum! My hands got a bit dirty, so now we're gonna eat the toast. Sorry. I just love to do that to my face, I'm just gonna chew. Okay, for the last bite of the toast. That was quite yum. Now I'm gonna just have some water. And that was really quite refreshing. So I'm really quite cold now, but that breakfast was so yum. It's better when you get messy. So I hope you enjoyed this short. And bye guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Now we're just gonna have one.
Your face is so messy.
What is so messy?